You want to know, Joyce, what living in Nashville is like? This is what it's like. A lot. I don't know if you can see the lightning. It's too bright out. I hope it caught that. That scared the crap out of me. I think I might have just wet my pants. But it's been like this. We saw it coming in last night. Oh, there was lightning. If it storms tonight, I'll take another video. Great. About a minute in the life of what it's like in Nashville.